Hello everyone, welcome to Think Money. Today we are going to talk about the real essence of money, how to understand it, manage it and make it work for you. So, what is money really about? Money isn't just a piece of paper or random numbers that you can see on a screen. It's a tool that represents value, your time, your effort and your choices. Here is the thing. Many of us learn how to earn money, but not how to spend it effectively. Our schools never taught us how to save, invest, or build our wealth. So, understanding money is a skill, something that can change our life. So, let's break it down into three powerful ideas. Here is the first idea. Money is a resource. It is finite, so where you allocate, it matters. Now, let's look at the second fact, which is money is a multiplier. So if you are using it wisely, it can create more opportunities, independence, and a sense of security as well. Here is the third idea. Money is emotional. Money is closely tied to our emotions because it can reflect our habits, our goals, and our upbringing. So to take control of your finances, you need to understand your emotions and feelings. So put it in simple words. To have that control over your money, you need to have some sort of control over your emotions as well. So now we are at the second segment of this session, and here we will be talking about the framework of financial growth. So when it comes to money management, there are three pillars: earning, spending, and investing or growing your money. So let's look at the first one, which is earning. Now this is the starting point. It will be from your job, a side hustle, or even from your business. But here is something that you need to remember at this point of time, because earning more doesn't always gonna fix your financial problems. It is about what you do with what you earn. So the truth is, it is not always about earning more, but it is always about proper money management. Now let's go to the second stage, which is spending. Now this is where most people struggle. I can tell you why. There is a difference between our needs, our wants, and our impulses. Now, to manage spending, you can go with the priority test. So before buying anything, you can ask yourself a question like, does this really align with my goals? Or am I making this as an emotional decision? Now, let's look at the last one, which is growing or investing your money. Now, don't let your money sit idle. Make it work for you. Now, this doesn't mean making big risk. You can start small and safe options. Even investing 1,000 rupees a month in a simple mutual fund can help you accumulate wealth over time. Now, we are at the third segment of this session, and here we will be talking about the growth of money and the magic of compounding. Let me give you a quick scenario. Let's say you put 10,000 rupees to grow at 10% interest in a year. Now, for the first year, you will get 11,000 rupees in your bank. For the next year, the 10% interest is not just on the 10,000 rupees, but on the 11,000 rupees. So now your money is growing fast because now you are earning on what you have already earned. And that is compounding. Over 20 years, the initial 10,000 rupees will be 67,000 rupees. So here is the point. The earlier you start, the more compounding will work on your favor. So when it comes to money management, time is your biggest ally. Now, let's try to understand the role of our mindset in the whole process. Most people forget that financial success isn't only about how much money you have or how much money you can make, but it is also about our mindset, how you think about money, make decisions, and stay disciplined. They all are going to play a huge role in your life. Let's look at the idea of scarcity and abundance. Now, instead of saying, I can't afford this, try asking, how can I afford this? This small shift in thinking can help you understand possibilities instead of your limitations. So what we need is an abundance mindset, because abundance mindset can help us see money as a tool that can create more opportunities, not as a problem that needs to be solved. Also, building wealth. It means making short-term sacrifices for long-term gains. Now, this doesn't mean living a miserable life. It means you have control over your pleasures and purposes. So now we are at the last segment of this session, and we will be concluding with the simple and easiest steps that can be taken. If you are just starting, here are 3 actionable steps you can take today. Step 1, track your money. Because awareness is the first step in controlling everything around us. You can download a free app or even keep a notebook with you. Just note down every single rupee or dollar that comes in and goes out. Step 2 is to set a financial goal. Let it be saving 10,000 rupees in 3 months or paying off a small debt. But have a plan, because a clear goal can give you direction. Now, the final and the most important step, step 3, learn something about investing every day. Remember, small and consistent steps will always beat grand and inconsistent leaps. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.